How to recognize signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. Dogs are known for their wagging tails, which are often seen as a sign of their happiness and excitement. Unfortunately, just like any other part of their body, a dog's tail can also get injured. Recognizing the signs of a broken tail in your furry friend is crucial in order to provide them with the proper care and prevent any further complications. In this video, we will guide you through the process of identifying the signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. Before we dive into the signs, it's important to note that tail injuries in dogs can vary in severity. While some dogs may experience a slight fracture or sprain, others may have a completely broken or dislocated tail. The severity of the injury will determine the necessary treatment and the level of pain your dog is experiencing. One of the first signs that your dog may have a broken tail is a change in their behavior. Dogs with a broken tail often become more hesitant or reluctant to move their tails. They may also display signs of pain when attempting to wag their tail or when you touch it. If your usually happy and active pup suddenly becomes withdrawn or avoids any interaction that involves their tail, it's time to examine them more closely. When examining your dog's tail, look out for any visible signs of injury such as swelling, bruising, or cuts. However, keep in mind that tail injuries may not always be apparent, especially if it's a hairline fracture or dislocation. In such cases, you may need to rely on other indications. Another sign to look for is your dog favoring one side of their body. If your dog stands or sits in an uneven manner or tilts their body to one side, it could be an indication that their tail is injured. This is due to the discomfort or pain they experience when attempting to maintain balance using their tail. Changes in bathroom habits can also be indicative of a broken tail. Since a dog's tail plays a significant role in their communication and signaling, a broken tail can affect their ability to properly defecate or urinate. If you notice your dog struggling or expressing pain during bowel movements or urination, it could mean that their tail is injured. Furthermore, a dog with a broken tail may exhibit signs of discomfort or pain when sitting or lying down. They may frequently change positions in an attempt to find a more comfortable spot that reduces the pressure on their tail. Pay attention to any whining, whimpering, or growling when your dog is attempting to get comfortable. It's important to note that certain breeds are more prone to tail injuries due to the shape or length of their tails. Breeds with long, thin tails such as greyhounds, whippets, or Afghan hounds are more susceptible to a condition known as limber tail syndrome or broken tail syndrome. This is characterized by a sudden onset of tail drooping and pain caused by overuse or strain of the tail muscles. If you suspect that your dog has a broken tail, it's crucial to seek veterinary attention as soon as possible. A proper diagnosis from a veterinarian will help determine the severity of the injury and provide the appropriate treatment options. Depending on the case, treatment may involve pain management, immobilization of the tail, or in severe cases, surgical intervention. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip is essential for their well-being. By paying attention to changes in their behavior, examining their tail for any signs of injury, and observing their everyday activities, you can quickly identify if your dog is experiencing such an injury. Remember, the sooner you seek veterinary care, the better the chances of a full recovery for your furry companion.